even the statement alone, I'm in a big mood, is very well in the same sentiment of I like the way I'm feeling now. Like, hey, Buju's been feeling great this year, and rightfully so. Hey, you're getting lit to this. You're getting lit to this. For some, look at me. Oh shit, what's good, beautiful people? It's your boy Emmanuel, aka palmwinepapi. Welcome back again to the channel, okay? If you guys are new here, be sure to like, share, subscribe, check out this content on this channel and the content on my other channel as well. Today we're looking at Made in Lagos Deluxe, okay? A few records have come out. This one is just for mood. One of the most talked about, most anticipated song because it has one of the most present youngsters on the scene right now. Buju is killing it this year. He has had phenomenal hit records ever since leaving Starship. Yeah, Starship. Spaceship. Sorry. It's been a long day, okay? Ever since he left Burna Boy's Spaceship. He has been having he has been building his profile quite well, and it's just an icing on the cake to finish it off with a Made in Lagos feature, you know. WizKid, obviously the GOAT, having phenomenal wins off of this Made in Lagos album. We're looking forward to the Deluxe. It only makes sense to bring the Deluxe right about now, just to like stretch the life of the album. Okay, now this is gonna be Mood. Another video I'll be going into on OT. And I'm just excited about Mood first off, so we'll do it. We'll do it right now. It's 3 minutes, 30 seconds. Let's go. What's Buju coming in with? Let's see. Okay. Oh, you opened it. Buju opened the song. Okay, I'm here for it. I don't want to. Okay, guys. By the way, there's gonna be some pauses and I'll have to chop down some parts of it. But a sentiment I had about Made in Lagos, which I still hold to today, doesn't make it a bad thing. But Made in Lagos, and every feature, in every moment, every feature kind of took a much more stronger front than WizKid did. It's already looking and seeming that way because the song is opening with a Buju riff. So we don't know, man. Like this is gonna be interesting. Who produced this too?
Oh, I'm in a big mood. Call I feel you. Something wake up cool in my body. Tell me will do.
Hey, already I'm catching the same sentiment of feelings, okay? This is supposed to be I'm in a good mood. Literally, he said it and I'm in a good mood. Let's go. Hey, Wiz.
I'm in a big mood.
Hey,
Get out of feel you.
alright. Hey, let's go. Oh my goodness, this song it feels like it fits on Made in Lagos. It definitely does feel like it fits here. It makes sense. It actually does make sense.
Bend every night if it turn to baby. When you wake up, girl, you splashing on me.
Hey.
Girl, look like sweat all on me. Like
Hey. Let's go.
Baby girl, you know when the money done the show, send a star boy, big Wiz, big daddy enter the show.
Okay, this is a strong verse. I'm not gonna lie. The way he entered that verse, let's run that back. Nah, that was hard. I entered that verse.
Baby girl, you know when the money done the show, send a star boy, big Wiz, big daddy enter the show.
Wait, talk your shit. Still, talk your shit, my guy. Let's go.
You know, man, we just come, yeah, mind that home. I'll bum a walk, but I'm a bum a look. I'm like 20 standard, yo.
It's a If you guys don't know Yoruba, that means we didn't come with any ladies, but we're gonna leave with some. I'm in the big mood. Hey, you're getting lit to this. For some, look at me. in a big mood. Oh, that was catchy, man. That was a catchy song. That's a good song. That was a good record. Now, something that was consistent with Made in Lagos is that WizKid worked towards the strength of the artist that he's featured on. And kind of give them a lot of presence. I just love the fact that Buju's tone and his delivery kind of fits very well into the world of Made in Lagos. He felt like he belonged on this album, and rightfully so. You can see him feel right into a beat that feels like something that you've already heard on Made in Lagos. This captures the similar atmosphere of the album, like a track like No Stress or even Mighty Wine could fit right into this bounce and this feel. The melody is sweet on this, and I definitely love how WizKid came as a pre-chorus into the chorus itself. He definitely carried the melody across the entire song, and I enjoyed that second verse, man. That second verse was hard from him. Now, is this adding anything extra or anything like out of the ordinary for Made in Lagos? It's not. It feels like it's another piece of the Made in Lagos puzzle, in the sense that everything just sounds very, very cohesive at the end of the day. Hey, Buju's been feeling great this year, and rightfully so. Even the statement alone, I'm in a big mood, is very well in the same sentiment of I like the way I'm feeling now. Like, again, not to stress this point again, very similar to many of the tracks that we hear. You can even see it from even the drum kits. I think it very much sounds like the same pattern or the same kind of drums that were used on many of the songs here. I think this was P2J, or I have to look through the credits to see who produced this. And next track I'm going to be listening to is Anoti. So keep it locked. I'm going to have that uploaded very soon. I think this track is fire. It's going to be a big mood for sure. People will definitely be quoting a lot of the lines here. Yeah, Big Wiz, Buju, Slapper. Let's go. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.